So this is how to fix Candy Crush Saga lag problem or Candy Crush Saga loading problem. And also, if your Candy Crush Saga is not launching well or not opening well, this is how to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for your settings app. After seeing it, just tap on it. When you are logged in, what you have to do next is to tap on the apps and notifications over here. After tapping on it, tap on see your apps. After tapping on it, you have to search for the Candy Crush Saga game. So I'm going to use a demo app to demonstrate this to you. So search for the Crush game. So when you search for Candy Crush game, then you tap on it. When it appears like this, then you tap on notifications. Make sure all the notifications are showed well. So after turning it on, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then make sure it's also turned on. The background data, make sure it's on. Then you check the permissions, make sure everything is on. After that, you tap on the first tab, then you tap OK. After that, check the storage and cache, then you clear cache, then you clear the storage also as well. Then after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Play Store and check for the new updates and updates the Candy Crush Saga game. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. Tap on the power button for some while and tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK. See you in the next one.